All that therapy was just a waste of time and money.
When you think about it, where did all that therapy really get us?
Got us right here laughing about it.
He's right.
Oh, what are you talking about? Once it's broken, it can never really be fixed.
I don't know.
The Queen has spoken.
What?
Nothing.
Maybe it's just too soon.
Too soon? What are you talking about?
The whole point of having a knockdown, drag-out fight is playing hide the salami afterwards.
See?
Let hard times bring you together. Nobody said it would be easy.
Can't we let hard times bring us together? Nobody said it was going to be easy.
It's like the Andrews sisters. After Boogie Woogie Bugle Boy and before Don't Sit Under the Apple Tree. Big career slump there.
It's like the Andrews sisters before Don't Sit Under the Apple Tree.
The Andrews sisters?
Sure. They didn't stop singing just because they had a few flops. They hung in there, and the rest is music history.
Don't sit under the apple tree with anyone else
I just
but
don't understand
me.
why you're bringing up the Andrews
Anyone
sisters
else but
now.
You're singing.
It's just an example,
These
Katie.
kids are in trouble and you're singing?
Oh, Dot, put out once in a while. Your face won't be so tight.
Slut.
I just don't understand what their career slump has to do with our marital problems.
Don't sit under
What are
the
we supposed to
apple
do?
tree.
Making matters worse by dwelling on every little thing for the rest of our lives?
Is that what you think I do? Is that how you see me?
You're a child, Harry.
That I just dwell on everything?
You're a 72-year-old infant.
There are real problems here that we haven't even begun to deal with.
You think I know that? Jesus, what happened to you? What happened to that fun girl? The one with the pith helmet? Where did she go?
You don't think I ask myself that every day? You beat her out of me. There's no room here for her.
You think it's all fun and games,
So
Harry?
I guess it's all my fault that you hang on to every
but the
little
car
thing.
doesn't drive
It's all
by
my
itself.
fault that you can't let go of anything.
Someone has to take the wheel.
It's all my fault that you turned into your goddamn mother.
Fuck you!